Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Ford Ranger, stock number 6178. It's ran from the 6/2011 to the 6/2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, front bonnet no dents, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,